All right, we're back with you here with Phillips Run Drip and Bubble Company, and Papaw Morris is in trouble. Nina Lois is mad, and she's wanting this car out of the garage.
To put her other Volkswagen in it. She has to have two everything.
That's right.
That's what's been worrying me about the man situation.
This is a 1937 Ford,
Yeah.
and Daddy's had this thing as long as I can remember. There's Nina Lois. She said it's got to go.
Oh, yeah. I don't believe it. I don't believe it that way.
I bought it in 1956.
1950.
Yeah, 6.
How long's he had it, Mama?
I have no idea. I could not tell you. It's been here forever.
Steve and I had a 1956 Oldsmobile, and I was driving it when I bought this one. I was coming from Atlanta to Gainesville, and the guy had it up there in his yard, and I stopped and asked him about it, and he just got out of a bad car wreck, and he was needing some money, and I bought it from him.
When you got it,
It had a little 60 horsepower V8 motor in it. It run.
well, now you had it painted. I remember you had it. You started restoring it, and then that quit. What was the scoop on all that? Why did we?
Well, the fella that done work said he got burnt out, but he tore it all to pieces. There's a lot of stuff he took off of it he shouldn't have never touched.
I mean, it stripped down.
And I got most of them in a 5-gallon bucket.
Anyway, Nina Lois said this thing's got to go. She needs her carport because this. Now, Mama, how long has this thing been sitting here? You think? Look at there. There's powered by a 5-horse Briggs and Stratton right there, boys. How long do you think it's been sitting in here?
I don't know, but
I've been married 34
he
years.
got it
I
painted.
don't say I'm
He got it
29
painted.
and it ain't moved since I've been around.
Well, he got it painted up there. That guy painted it, and then he brought it back home, and I said, "We'll put it in the garage so it'll be good and finish it up." He never did anything to it.
So that's it.
All right. Well, I reckon.
guess that's cleaning a 37 Ford. Did you ever find there ain't a drop of rust on it? It's been in the dry all the time.
Yeah, it's definitely been here. We fixed to move her out of here and take it to another location because Nina Lois says after 35 or 40 years, something's got to go. Now, they cut the grill on the thing. I don't know why they cut the grill, but they did. But anyway, this is a Lincoln grill over here, right?
Yeah. 37 Lincoln.
37 Lincoln, but it won't work. But it's 37 Lincoln here. But
somebody needs that.
Y'all can see.
Do you hear me?
Why did you take? Where did you put the grill when you brought it back?
Part of it's right down there. They cut it half and two. Well, I don't know. I see them.
This is
Get that judge.
This is a 37 Ford Standard, right?
Right. 37 Standard.
And that's actually the top of the grill.
The Deluxe had a
pump on the back.
Pump on the back.
All right, well, we fixing to get this thing out of here. Like I said, there is no rust on it whatsoever, but it's been
There ain't
sitting
no
here.
better rust.
I've been married 35 years, and I know it's been here the whole time. So, all right, boys, let's unpile all the stuff around it.
What is it?
Now, see, he's got there. Get to work.
Got to get the car out.
All right, the first time that thing has seen
Kevin, if
daylight.
it's me, you can do whatever you want.
Gosh,
I'd
how
take it
long
around there in the front yard and take a hose and knock
I've been
that
married that
dust
long.
off. Huh?
That dust for the deck was.
I can't hear you.
That dust is like a car cover.
Why should you threw the handle down there?
That dust is what?
Like a car cover on it.
Mark, why did you throw the handle in that box?
That's a bucket. That's a bunch of parts for it.
Oh.
1937 Ford Standard.
Della?
So now, is that my 37 Ford now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's somebody's.
Yeah.
Just as long as it's out of this carport.
I don't know about all that.
I don't care about giving it to Biden or nothing.
There you go. All right, we got a load of these boys gonna take it up there and put it in a new location.
I
We gotta load
told,
up the
I told
parts and
Dylan
stuff.
he could have it.
You told Dylan he could have it.
Yeah.
That's right.
So not you.
You heard it. You heard it from the man.
Now last year you gave it to me.
Yeah, and
Too late.
when I was about 16, he gave it to me.
Well, I'm the new one.
Well,
He even told me in the Lord's house that it was
let me
mine.
tell you what. Put that somewhere where you can film and you three get together and decide what you're going to do with it.
There you go. Yeah, I believe I whoop him too.
I just shoot you.
My daddy always
I
told.
was rear ended.
Daddy always told me. Daddy always told me, "You'll never be too old for me to wear you out." Now I'm gonna have to shoot you in the leg, Dylan, but I'll get you whittled down where I can get a hold of you.
Better pack your lunchbox. You'll be here. a while.
Yeah.
About 30 seconds.
Yep. All right, we're gonna get this thing on up there and get it put in a new location.
Donnie, I think Donnie does one more quick. Papaw, what's in that car you need?
I don't know. I don't just throw everything away. You don't know hard to do that. Plowman.
Gosh, I ain't never seen that car out of that shed.
You know that tire's got air in it now.
That's them old, what is it, Bifly, they call it?
You know what it says? I say that tire pumped up some.
The other side is. That's the way that thing loops over. Dude.